day, my people. Good day, Abia, my fellow Abians, and also our lovely followers, subscribers all over the world. People here in the Amasi, people here in the Amasi. Good morning, good afternoon, and so good evening, depending the area where you are when you are getting our video. Today is Saturday, the 15th day of June 2024. June the Kebola Abo. So I know the report is now from Bata Junction, the ongoing water fountain being handled, also being taken place at this very Bata Junction by our state governor. Information, Boko information is dropping day in, day out. You know, people have been complaining concerning these very spots. No open pay, none of us traffic jam. Without even knowing the plan government may put in place in making sure that this place will get better. This place will surely work. Yeah, they have not even we are unable to see the design of the work and also the scope of the work as well. So Kebu not able today come soon live reportage how this work is going. Again, we kind of expansion here because here we see Curve roundabout, a very lovely expansion, road expansion, so that motorists coming towards the way, coming towards Osisoma, you can now be able to divert towards this place. Look at see motor. It's going to be a bulletproof. Hey. So you will now navigate towards this side. So there's need for expansion. That is exactly what is being carried on here. You can expand the roads. Again, I also got to know that because of the nature of what they are doing, Amantole is standby transformer, a very small transformer, just to take care of this. And we can wear solar. Yes, yes, I can go both my solar, my electricity, because here I can run the clock. My solar, they need a steady sun. On and 1 day enough, then here we know electricity charge higher. So here the road expansion came better. Today is Saturday, the 15th day of June 2024. I allow Chadania Ihuaro, Ebe Ndoro, Neme Ketrohanishi, and they're also almost ready. So it's nearing completion. Let me use that word. Yes, it's nearing completion. So all I can attack on just to make sure that this place look good. If you have not been in Aba for some time, or maybe 2 years ago or 1 year ago, if you have been out of this town, you know what I'm looking for at this town. You always miss your track. That is just a simple from information at our disposal. Also had it that this water fountain in Ahebu, they are going to establish up to 15 spots, 15 different junctions Ebagaro, this water fountain here, all in Aba, and all of them can be expanded, well expanded the way this one will. So this is all happening. And one good thing about this text here in development. All you can't even see ordinary tile here. You need a purely marble. Yes, pure marble. So here the designing, the fittings, the structural shapes, everything front and back are all marble. They are all marble designs. Yeah, and I go so as I'm come over here, Zitugunu obere kuno water here na no he guru ka name. The fittings, the everything, they are all coming up. When completed, you'll be amazed by the nature or type of developments being witnessed in this city that never goes to sleep. This is about Enyimba city. Everyone a bottle. So Kebu no today Simba. Come on over there. Come on over there. Zunu, this structural design and also this water fountain just like the same way till in Michael Okpala roundabout that links or sound. Yeah. No, the same design. On our Bamiri, on our Tulisim Midielu, on a main cone, Obia Tegema. If I want to be begin a rise, you don't have to be in a junction. You can design and they say, Cone design. Come in the natural breeze. You'll be very, very amazing. You'll be very, very happy. Again, I also want to tell you guys that every massive installation of street lights between inside the park, Jubilee Road, they all go towards this axis. Again, our popular apartment hall, I showed you guys 2 days ago, 8 people street lights. They have also light up the whole Constitution Crescent connecting to Park Roads and lights up. So everywhere will be remembered. Everywhere will be lighted up, and the honor in Brexit, yeah, as men are infected, English yesterday, but I'm not have school. So, as I remember, I'm here today, Simba. This lovely afternoon, this lovely weekend, as we are chilling, as we are having fun, as we are doing one thing or the other, let us also use this medium to show Aba to the world. Aba is all coming up. Aba is developing. Aba has been turned to a full construction site. Eba we need to reach your house. And now our duty, making sure that we're gonna be showing you this because it's our calling, it's our agenda, it's our passion, and it's what gives us joy. So stay tuned for more. So moving forward, we also sighted a lot of manhole along this place. This expansion came out first. I want some of the stands. This is signage. Already. Yeah, this is signage. These are also telecommunication manhole. Along this terrain, this expansion will also affect it. You can have caution tape big site so that motorists can have ability over here. You can see some of their working materials are also on site. And they are nearing completion. They will get around up this project. As I told you guys, they will up to 15 of them coming up here in Aba. But the policewoman, the traffic border woman, and I also tell our governor, go to Takwa Mfosi, go to Takwisi Alangwa. This work is also coming simultaneously and also hitting in all the nook and cranny of the state. Not like Chitakwa Omoahia. It's all coming everywhere. Rehabilitate and also rebuild in general Obikadia Junction during the last administration. Yeah, MLA renovate so Bata way popular junction here in Aba. Whatever you are coming, wherever you are coming into the town, if you visit Bata currently, you will be very, very happy because the people coming from Lagos, coming to Abuja, coming from Enugu, coming from our neighboring states, Imo State, Ebonyi State. Once you enter into the state, yes, Bata na Bata, this Bata axis, Gaba, who you make a welcome, make a something that will amaze you, something that will make you feel among, something that will be on a fix. The Rome was not actually built in a day, but it's a gradual process, and that process have just begun. So we're gonna do what we're gonna do to make sure we actualize this change contract. We will make sure that we actualize these massive changes now in our land. So it's all coming up simultaneously in English. So, but with a different mindset and also different design of what we can be able to call a water fountain. Water fountain with its design and also everything, and also it's like with its lighting up, it is going to light up the city and also make this town to look good. So the process is now, and we are doing it gradually to make sure we achieve of our dream. So today is Saturday, the 15th day of June 2024, and on Abata Junction, Nima Ebon Apoto, as a Kamuro Hoda, Sipunu, this is Swiss Here our governor Dr. Les Chioma Oti, the mayor, when it comes to construction, when it comes to rebuilding and also restoring the faith of this town. So here are one of these. Even in I can now visit here one after the other. You can see the type of lovely cars and never over there, and also the traffic system. And people are all on grants, and our people are doing well, doing very, very well. Yes, when it comes to human capital investment, development, our people are doing very, very well, doing massively. Our over there. So so all the government we can get a little push for we to get there. So if we ever trailer, we were way back at trailer was reba. If we shows a trailer was reba, this side, Sheba court war, Gawebe on Aga. So come there soon here, say, oh, why, I can make that chair. So now this is the Saturday edition of our broadcast. You're gonna be getting us wherever you are. The town is all looking sparkling. The town is all looking great. So why you surely get there. Why you surely get to that promised land. Yes. So believe in us and also believe in yourself. Work so hard and also be a good citizen of this state. Pay your tax and make sure that you don't litter the environment. You don't dirty the environment. On doing that, we'll surely get there together. So this is from me to you, telling you, keep believing in other states. Come and invest in other states. Abia is on a high level of development. Massively, we are coming up speedily. So this is Cable TV. We always do our thing. I love you all, but God loves you more. I'm signing out. Twack all day.